Hey everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports. This 2012 Honda Fury with 8,258 miles passes New Hampshire State inspection and runs well. It's been upgraded with an EFI module, power commander, Freedom exhaust, K&N air cleaner, mirrors, levers, shift peg, radiator cover, and we have replaced both the front and rear tires on this bike. The Fury is a chopper-inspired cruiser with reliability, craftsmanship, and versatility Honda is known for. While the Fury certainly looks the part of a chopper, its performance and handling actually match its mean-looking style. This is a great option for a rider who likes customs, but not the setbacks of one. A 1312cc V-twin engine, paired to a 5-speed transmission, powers this long and lean bike, which is nearly 6 feet from axle to axle. It has a lower seat height of 26.9 inches and a dry weight of 663 pounds. To see everything we know about this vehicle, including full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports, the service repair order, high-resolution photos, and more, please review the listing on our website. We have also purchased the CycleCheck's Vehicle History Report. You can view this report by clicking the link on the right side of the video.